In this course, you will learn how to create amazing interactive Excel dashboards, like the Excel Professionals uses. The dashboard update with the click of the refresh button, or with a simple copy and paste of your new data into your spreadsheet. They'll wow your boss and take your career to the next level. So, what is an Excel dashboard? An Excel dashboard provides insight, analysis and alerts, management, financial forecasting and much more. They're fully interactive and dynamic and can help with project management, customer service, retail management, forecasting and much more. For more information, please see our video The Complete Guide Excel Dashboard course and its benefit. We hope that you find this video useful and see you soon in our courses.